So we decided we need a little bit of signage on the van. G'day, future editing link in here, and I started work on editing this video and realised that I've never actually shot an intro for it, so here's the intro. This week we make some stickers to put on the van, make it look a bit prettier, and carry on working on things, getting ready for our trip down to Melbourne soon. Something for on the back and something for on the front. So I borrowed this cricket from work and just cutting out some stuff now. Okay, so the next stage, getting these decals ready to go on the van, is to begin cutting them out, so they're not all going in the same place on the van, so I need to cut them apart. It's cut on my mat rather than on the table. I nearly started cutting on the table. Before I can put them on, I need to get the van clean, so let's give it a wash and then get these stickers on. Okay, so I've got a sticker that I'm going to put on the back door. Now, I've been trying to decide whether to put it here or here. I feel like here is going to be better, but before I put it on there, I've washed the van, but I just want to make sure this paint is good and clean. So I'm just going to hit it with a little bit of polish, paint cleaning polish. So this is the sticker that's going on the back. So I need to peel the sticker off its backing. Yeah, it's coming off now. Alright, let's go put it on the van. Yeah, it's a bit windy, which is going to make it trickier. And unfortunately I didn't do a very good job of lining up the lines with the text. So they're not going to help me much. Something like that. So now just got to burnish it onto the paintwork and stop there from being any bubbles. Not perfect, but it is my first time. Let's pull the transfer tape off. A little bit of a bubble there in the gecko. It's going to make it easier for people coming up behind us who want to get by to contact us. Wonder I lost. Wind is not making it easier. Hopefully I've got it more or less in the middle and more or less straight, because I only get one shot at it. Oh yeah, I'm happy with it. It's a Tolkien quote. This morning we're heading for work again, but on the way dropping the van to get serviced. So taking the van to Bees Creek Mechanical. I'm just going to get on with other things that I need to get done before we head for Melbourne. One of those other things is to put the filters back in the shower system before we head off. So when the van is parked up, we're not really using it. I take the filters out and dry them out so that they don't grow bacteria. And so these are the filters that I installed earlier in the year, new, and they're dry. I'm not going to charge the system yet. I'm not going to fill the tank and pressurize it or anything. I'll do that closer to when we leave, but that's just another quick, easy job done. Another job that I need to do is just go through my tool bag, make sure that everything is back in here that needs to be in here. So when the van's in storage, normally I keep the tool bag in the garage rather than the back of the van. But in preparation for going away, I just need to go through it and make sure that anything I've taken out since we were away in the van last is back in here and it's all sorted. And this needs tidying up. It's come adrift at some point. Drill bits, screwdrivers. It's my ratcheting screwdriver My good knife. Insulation tape. Wire strippers, pipe cutters, side cutters, a little gas torch, pair of gloves, which can be quite handy, one of my multimeters. It's a little bit of a mess. Thread tape. Spare screws and bits and pieces. Cable ties. I feel like that needs topping up. There's cable ties there, that'll be right. Multimeter back in. Battery. Okay. Just looking around my workbench to make sure there's nothing else here that I've taken out and forgotten about. All looks good. One thing that I did think of was solder. So I have this big roll of solder. Don't really need to take the whole thing with me, but I don't want to have no solder on hand. So just do that. And I've got this tin here that I've repurposed for keeping solder in. So actually that can probably go there. Not for that. Okay, so next thing I need to do, sort out the boot. Just want to go through the boot. There's some stuff in here which we're not going to take with us on this trip, and I just want to kind of repack it, make sure everything's nice and clean and tidy. So get these tools back in. Alright, let's give that a clean in there before we put everything back in. Just realised I've forgotten I've got to fit a suitcase in here because we're flying back. Okay, Let's try that again. This time we'll add in the suitcase that I forgot. Well, thanks for joining me. Hope you enjoyed that video. Next time we'll be working on trying to resolve some issues with Open Auto Pro and our reverse camera. So hopefully we'll see you then. Hope you enjoyed this one. Until next time, be kind. Catch you later.